What's up, guys? You probably are wondering why the fuck NASA needs funding. They just shoot little ships into space and waste all of our fucking money while people are starving and dying and getting raped down here on planet Earth. And today we are going to be talking about one major reason why NASA needs a shitload of funding. Why the future of the human race depends on NASA and other space programs like NASA getting funding from the governments that are, supporting them. So, what is this main reason? What is this main reason, Dakota?
Well, Brandon, if we are able to move ourselves to, if we are able to find planets out in the universe that can sustain life, then if we are able to move human life there, then ultimately we're going to have a better chance of
the human race surviving. The human race is going to have a much better chance of surviving if we're on multiple rocks instead of just one rock. Because one rock can get fucking destroyed.
If a big-ass asteroid comes in and boom, just knocks Earth out.
Also, giving NASA more funding, they can find ways to defend ourselves from these asteroids. So, not only is...
Although, that's a completely different topic entirely, but
no, it's still funding NASA. It's still funding NASA.
Oh, yeah.
That's the main thing on this video. But, you gave one reason why.
I thought you were going to start talking about defending ourselves from aliens, but...
No. No. That is, that, I don't know how much NASA has.
We can make a completely different video about that, but...
But yeah, NASA needs funding so we can learn how to defend ourselves from asteroids, comets, bullshit like that that just comes flying at us, stronger than nukes, just blowing up half the planet.
And with the increasing population, if the population keeps increasing like it is,
we're going to need another planet.
We only have a finite amount of resources. Yeah, now people are still starving, but right now we do have the inadequate amount of resources. They're just not being allocated efficiently is the problem.
But soon,
eventually,
when there are like
a point.
Soon, when there are like 20 billion people or 50 billion people, there probably won't be enough resources on just our planet. We're gonna have to move to other planets, maybe other planets in our solar system, and develop ways to create food and things like that on those planets.
And you know what the funny thing is that we humans are afraid of this exact thing. We are afraid that aliens from other planets will do this to us. What are we afraid of? We're afraid, everyone's afraid, well not everyone, but it's, people have thought about aliens coming to planet Earth. What are they coming here? They're searching for resources. That's what they would be doing. What are we doing? We're trying to do the exact same thing.
We need to do that.
At least we should be doing that. But I mean, it's just kind of weird to put things in that perspective and think about it like, we're aliens just as much as
aliens are aliens.
Yeah, there are.
Just think of it this way. We can be the intelligent, successful aliens if we pour our money into NASA instead of focusing our money on wars and bullshit like that, which really is just killing ourselves.
And if you want to, you can watch videos by Michio Kaku. He's a physicist, I believe, and he has really good videos. You actually have one of his books right there, The Future of the Mind by Michio Kaku. But
this is him looking.
Speaking of his videos, look up his videos about civilizations. Michio Kaku Civilizations. You can probably find it on YouTube, but he talks about different types of civilizations, like Type 1, Type 2, Type 3 civilizations, and he goes in depth about the characteristics of those civilizations. And we, as a human race, right now, are a Type 0 civilization.
We don't got shit.
Yeah, but it's a really interesting video. I recommend that you guys watch it, and he'll teach you about the different civilizations and what we could develop into and what's preventing us from developing into a Type 1 civilization, for example.
Yeah, so, I mean, NASA is where we need the funding. We're taking funding, recently, we've been taking funding away from NASA, giving it to, like, fucking defense budgets and, paying for wars where we're killing people.
Yeah, that's
on
where
other
a
continents.
huge amount of our budget goes.
Yeah,
Defense.
more than education, more than a lot of different very important things. More important than killing people, of course. But it's just we don't even have to get into the topic of wars and things like that. But that's where a lot of our funding is going now, and we aren't getting much funding for NASA. NASA needs more funding, and we've just highlighted a few reasons of why that would be a good thing to do, is to give more funding to NASA. So
That's a wrap.
That's basically it.